Well, welcome. So we have a fun little renovation to talk about today. We've been in this building before, but the building super has changed, or the building manager, resident manager's changed, and we basically did a gut renovation of the kitchen, left most of the walls intact, kind of opened up a few openings, the PTAC for heating and air conditioning, and I think really the gem is the kitchen. And in terms of cleaning this up, new moldings. We have all new Art Deco moldings, which you'll see as we go throughout this project. All new doors, all new door hardware. We bring in all of the FiOS and the cable connection from the vertical part of the hallway, and you know, the provider comes in and hooks up all their high-speed internet. Upgraded to 100 amps. Kept in the bookshelves. Originally thought about being much more open here and ripping out walls and having a two-way entrance into the kitchen, but I think the budget was too high for what they really wanted to spend. So we chose not to do that. But color palettes are all my clients, so you know, either you like it or you don't. But I love the details. And I love how beautiful the floor has come out. It's a combination of, I think, dark walnut, a mix of dark walnut and some Jacobine in it. But we always do our custom molding. This is a porcelain chevron pattern floor, the world's tiniest kitchen. We actually kept the one side smaller. It's 20 inches. The right side is the standard 24. Bosch, refrig, you know, flip up doors over the refrigerator, and there's a pull-out drawer that's coming in there. You know, all of my pull-out, there's two underneath here because we have no space. It's a great deep Franke sink. In this case, we did, to make it feel bigger, we did the mirror backsplashes, and we have, I think it just feels enormously bigger, with beautiful gray. Gray is the new white. This is called Gray Embers, the cabinetry. We did a pure white Caesar stone top, and this was a Bertazzoni range that was existing with a new Bosch microwave hood. The nice part about this, I think, is that we went back to, which is really kind of retro, all of the electric strip is underneath the cabinetry built into the finished bottom. And it just cleans it up from a modern point of view. I think it's a really great little contemporary kitchen. We've got the appliance handles matching the hardware, which is kind of nice. Was a real problem for us from the manufacturer because we didn't have the right screw sizes, blah, blah, blah. It was just ridiculous. The sills are always hard to do when we have this kind of weird jog in the wall. But it's really finished beautifully, and I think it really feels like a tailored custom kitchen, which I know the client will love. We have electrostatically painted the window frames, and I swear it just makes such a huge difference for anybody that has. They were the color of the brown frames on the outside, then they were this white, sort of a dirty white on the inside. They look like new windows, and that's a finish that'll last for probably another 25 or 30 years. The lighting might change, I suppose, if they think about they want something. We just couldn't find anything for the little dining room or a little nook area, which could be a wet bar area, sort of. We have my standard wall-to-wall, I call it my standard, but what we build for custom cabinetry is like fine furniture because it's all solid birch. And the interiors of it, it's got the central through the wall heating and air. And here we did chrome, but this is a heating and air conditioning unit because somebody took the radiator out of here for some reason, which is fine. It's just that instead of being connected to the steam heat, it's really just an electric heater, which is better than nothing. But again, I think painting the windows white, stripping, and we put in all new molding that we copy. It's a deco period molding from SAW, and it's in every metal door jamb in a pre-war building. But I think changing the baseboard to be very much in period cleaned this whole place up. So they have new wiring for wall-mounted television. Basically, the only thing that changed on the fireplace was that we knew that there were sconces, or there could be, so we found the sconce boxes and put in the lighting and really just painted the box. But it's a working fireplace. It's been inspected, and that's kind of really charming. It makes it lovely for this little apartment. We have all the wall thermostats so that everything is remotely controlled, you know, in the sense that you don't have to, you just set the thermostat, you don't have to turn it on or off, you know, with a remote. We did not do much in the bathroom at all. They had, I think it was renovated before when they bought this place, and all we did was paint the vanity and add a light and fix the plumbing here because it was falling off. The closet, it's got a great big built-in, you know, already. So we just did floor carpeting, which I think is a really great finishing touch. Changed all the saddles, made them flush between the rooms, and I kind of really like the light in there. There's a great little ceiling light that I would absolutely use again. Again, all new door hardware and doors. And in here, we'll have a mirror behind the center door. We just, unfortunately, it's 1/4 inch too big, so we have to come back with that. But I think, again, through the wall air conditioning unit, having the white, newly painted frames, and cleaning it up, we actually had to kind of fix the top. That's an existing radiator cover. And to save money, we just decided to fix the top so that it can be practical. There's going to be a bed in front of it, and nobody really needs to see it. So, again, ciao for now, and we'll see you on the next.